how to cancel Wix Premium plan and get a full refund. So if you want to cancel your Wix Premium plan and also manage to get a full refund, it must be done within the 15 days period of subscribing to Wix. So only within 15 days you will be able to get a full refund. After that you will not be able to get it. So here when you go to manage.wix.com and you go to a certain site of which you have the premium of a template or whatever, right? And then let's say you want to cancel and get a refund. In the search bar right over here you can just search for something like cancel, right, like this, and you'll find this option that says premium subscription settings. So just go to that premium subscription settings option and you will come to this page on the next page right here. Now if you have got a premium, there you'll also find the 3 dots option to cancel and get a refund if it is within the 30 days. In my case I don't have got premium, so you're seeing upgrade your site option, but you will definitely 100% able to find the option to cancel and get a refund once you're here inside this payment and subscriptions page. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.